First day at work.
Hello.
Hi, you must be the new employee.
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome. We're happy to have you.
Thank you very much.
What is your name?
My name is Michael.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
That's nice. How long have you been here?
About 3 months.
How do you like it so far?
I like it, but everything is new.
That's normal.
My English is not perfect.
That's okay. We're here to help.
Thank you.
Let me show you around the office.
Okay.
This is the kitchen,
Oh, that's nice.
and this is your desk.
Thank you very much.
If you need help, just ask.
I will. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Have a great first day. Ordering coffee. Hi, welcome to our coffee shop.
Thank you. This is my first time here.
No problem at all. I'm happy to help you.
Thank you. The menu looks big.
Yes, we have many choices, but we can go slowly.
Okay. I want a coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Good choice. What size would you like?
Sorry, what sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large.
Medium, please.
Would you like milk in your coffee?
Yes, please.
What kind of milk would you like?
I don't know the difference.
That's okay. We have regular milk and oat milk.
Which one do you recommend?
Oat milk is very popular.
Okay, I will try oat milk.
Great choice. Would you like sugar?
Yes, 1 sugar, please.
No problem.
Do you have food here?
Yes, we have muffins and sandwiches.
What is a muffin?
It's a small, sweet cake.
That sounds good.
Would you like one?
Yes, please. Which one is popular?
The blueberry muffin is very popular.
Okay, I will take that.
So 1 medium hot coffee with oat milk, 1 sugar, and 1 blueberry muffin.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total is $10.
Here you go.
Thank you. Can I have your name?
My name is Carlos.
Thank you, Carlos. Please wait here.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. You're doing great.
Airport check-in. Good afternoon. Check-in for which flight?
Hello, I fly to London.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have a booking code?
Is that the number in my email?
Yes, 6 letters or numbers.
It is B6, W4, Q8.
Got it. Are you checking any bags?
Yes, one big bag.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay. Is it okay?
It is 30 kilos. The limit is 25.
Oh, it is too heavy.
Yes, by 3 kilos.
What can I do?
You can pay a fee or move items to your carry-on.
I will move some items.
No problem. Take your time.
I moved 2 pairs of shoes. Try again, please.
Now it is 25 kilos. Perfect.
Great. Thank you.
Do you have a carry-on bag?
Yes, this small bag.
Please keep liquids under 100 milliliters.
What does milliliter mean?
It is a small amount, travel size bottles.
I understand. I have small bottles.
Do you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
What is an aisle?
The aisle is the walkway.
I prefer a window seat, please.
Window seats are available. Seat 16B.
Thank you.
Here is your boarding pass.
What is boarding?
Boarding means getting on the plane.
Okay, thank you.
Your gate is B10. Boarding starts at 3 p.m.
Where is gate B10?
Follow the signs after security. Turn left.
How early should I go to the gate?
Please be there 30 minutes before boarding.
Okay, I will go early.
At security, remove laptops and liquids.
Shoes too.
Yes, and belts if asked.
No problem.
This is your baggage receipt. Keep it.
What is it for?
If your bag is lost, we use it to find your bag.
I will keep it safe.
To recap, 1 checked bag, seat 16B, gate B10, boarding at 3 p.m.
Yes, I got it.
Have a good flight.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm new here.
Welcome. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the bus stop.
Which bus do you need?
Bus number 13.
Okay, go straight from here.
Go straight.
Yes, then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Correct.
Is it far?
No, it's very close.
How long does it take to walk?
About 10 minutes.
That's good.
The bus stop is next to a bank.
Next to the bank.
Yes, you can't miss it.
Thank you for explaining slowly.
No problem.
I was a little nervous.
That's okay. Everyone feels that way.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Checking into a hotel.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to the hotel.
Thank you.
How can I help you?
I have a reservation.
Okay,
What is your name, please?
My name is Richard.
Let me check.
Okay.
Yes, I see your reservation.
Great.
You have one room for 2 nights.
Yes, that's correct.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 6 to 8 in the morning.
Where is breakfast?
It's on the first floor.
Okay.
Here is your room key.
Thank you.
Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, it's over there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.